Hi, on today's episode, we're looking at the grouper. This is the black grouper, Mytropica bonacea, also called the black rockfish or marbled rockfish, is a species of marine ray-finned fish. The dorsal fin contains 11 spines and 15 to 17 soft rays. It occurs throughout the Caribbean Sea, along the coast of South America to Brazil. It lives in rocky bottoms and coral reef at the depth of about 10 to 30 meters or 33 to 98 feet. Females attain sexual maturity at about 5 years old, and the change of sex to male occurs when they are about 15 years old